The next station, Shibuya, JY20. The doors on the right side will open.
We got the lotus one. Ça c'est yap quoi. I'm going insane. There's so much. I want to buy everything. J'en suis.
Même 500 hein. La suite carte.
My lunch.
Un bon petit vent là.
This is set shoulder loin. Shoulder loins, sukiyaki style.
Okay.
The inside cook please.
Okay.
This. I mean sukiyaki style.
Like that?
Yeah,
Don't touch?
Yeah, don't. Yeah, maybe 2 minutes
Flip.
or 3
Ah,
minutes.
inside.
Yeah, only inside.
Okay.
This wagyu on the net barbecue.
On this side. Okay.
Right.
Okay,
Thank you.
Right.
Ouais, bah oui. Bon, ouais.
Oh my god.
Please keep moving forward. This is an entrance. Hello, please don't touch.
Şu an çok güzel olacak.
J'aurais grave pris ça. Japan. Bon. We're planning on going to this cat cafe, but literally as we were going up the stairs, we see this. Oh, il a un petit visage, lui. Trop beau.
J'aime bien ces escaliers parce que c'est facile à monter.
Mm.
Des petits escaliers pas trop assez larges.
En plus, j'aurais te font petit escalier, longue distance pour te reposer. Wanted to take a stroll around the garden, but it just suddenly started raining. It hasn't rained in like I don't know how many days, and of course, the moment we want to like go out and look at the garden, it starts raining. Oh!
Where are you talking?
T'as pas peur de des... Il y a des fish! It's... I feel like I'm in a dream. Aucune lumière. Ice cream or not? I have no words. Whole milk. Natto. Seafood. Mochi donuts. Dango. Ah, ça c'est pour les dangos. Soft boiled egg. Non, il est là. Ah, il est encore là. Stop. 시카랑.
Je la donne pour moi.
Trop mignon. J'ai chaud, j'ai chaud.
Ça se voit, non?
Mais c'est pas justement. I don't have any umbrella. Sorry for the mess, by the way. It's kind of messy, but yeah, I was sitting right here, and that's where I've been laying like all day, like rolling around and stuff. And this is our view. Actually, I'm really, like disappointed in myself that I haven't spent enough time next to it, like watching it. But it looks really nice. Really, really nice. And let me show you the bathroom. We have one big bed because the bath I was talking about. Like, I'm so excited. Wait, let me get in it. I'm just gonna try to see if I can actually fit in here. I think I can. I mean, obviously I can, but like I want to see what it feels like to be in it. Pretty nice. It's like really echoey, obviously, but yeah. I already showed my bag like a few days ago, but I'm gonna show it again because we have better lighting. Yeah, and I also had like this ponyo, wait, this that I bought yesterday at the Ghibli store, but it fell down. Like, it fell down and I don't even know how to put back. Oh, actually I do. Wait. Actually I do. Wait, maybe no I don't. Anyways, that's my bag that I'm going to be taking with me to go. I'm also gonna take my lip balm and my glass. Maggie's holding my change, by the way. I'm so hungry. Let's take out this. I bought the whole store. I was really hungry. Ma toux elle est crunchy genre.
お忘れ物のないようご注意願います。最近、携帯電話、財布、パスポートなど